Hello, welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner of LaJoycia Creation Designs. I'm coming to you all today with let me see, I have two things that I'm going to show y'all that I'm going to be doing some how to make videos on, but I want to know which one y'all want me to do first and which one y'all want me to do second. So of course y'all already know that I'm going to have y'all pick and choose which one you want me to do first and which one you want me to do second. This first one right here, I did a DIY on this. This is some bling that I've got from, not a DIY. I did a haul on this. I got this from Walmart, and this is some sequence bling, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so I do have something in mind, an idea in mind that I would like to do, showing y'all a design that you can do from using this here bling, and this is what it looks like on the opposite side. And like I said, I got this from Walmart. I really wanted silver, but I could not find it. So this is like a blue. It's really pretty. The next thing I want to show y'all is I want to do something using this print. Now, for those of you who have been following me, y'all know that I have done many projects using this here print. I love this print. I'm going to be coming to you all with a DIY, a how to make video using some African print. This is African print fabric. And so y'all have to choose between which one would you like to see first. Would you like to see this with the bling, or would you like to see me do the African print design, design first? Okay, so I'm just throwing this out there to you all. You all go ahead and vote. And sometime tomorrow I will be coming, sometime probably tomorrow afternoon, I will be coming to you all to show you which one of these is going to be first and which one is going to be second. Okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank you all. I want to say thank you to my new and my super supporters. I greatly appreciate y'all coming and being here with me on this here journey. And until the next video, peace and blessings. And if you are new and if you like what I do here, please subscribe, okay? So with that being said, I want to take this time to say thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. I've said that like, what, 2 or 3 times? Y'all have a wonderful and awesome weekend. Until the next one, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.